Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 or a 10 update error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and run the Windows update. After completing that, close it. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrative privileges. After opening that, first of all type a command is net space stop space WUA USERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space beds. After that, type a command is net space stop space MSI server. After that, type a command is run C column backslash Windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is REN run C column backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash catroot2 space catroot2.old and press enter. After doing this, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after completing that, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space beds. After that, type a command is net space start space MSI server and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your Windows update, and after that check the updates, and if any updates available, then download and install into your PC. Now downloading will be started and it's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, download it, and after install in your PC and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see that in my cases my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.